Okay, so I'm gonna go through the steps, basically how I apply the glue. This is my practice mouth. This comes in one of my kits that I sell in my shop. This is the glue that I use. It is bonding resin from Prime Dent, and this is the kind that you have to light cure. You're always gonna have to light cure when we're doing tooth gems. This is my micro swab, cotton swab. This is basically the applicator that we use for the glue. So for practice, I like to use anything that's just a clean surface. I know that a lot of you guys get your lashes done, so you probably see like the rings that they wear. We like to wear those too when we're doing tooth gems because we can place a good amount of bonding resin in there. So I just take a little dot of resin, shake your resin before you start using it, just a small amount, just like that. Take your applicator, apply a small, it doesn't have to be too much, doesn't have to be too little, but you do want it to be clean. So you kind of want to just do it in the shape. We're just using a regular rhinestone today. So we're just going to do 2 coats of a little dot, exactly where we want the gem to go. You can use any wax pen, it's up to you, doesn't matter as long as it's clean and sterile. Now we're gonna place the rhinestone right on top of that glue. If it's out of alignment, you can use your tweezers to put it in the right place. And you should look from every angle to make sure it looks like it's in the right spot. It looks pretty straight to me. And now we're gonna use our LED light to cure. After 15 to 20 seconds, you should be done light curing, and then you want to check to make sure that the rhinestone is in place. The gem is secure. If you, for any reason, have resin that's like, oozing or moving around your tooth, you want to clean that up with a clean micro swab like this. Clean micro swab. This one has glue on it, but y'all know what I mean. And you want to clean that up from around the gum line before you cure it with the light to make sure that your gums aren't affected or touched. That's how you will get bacteria buildup, and that will not be good for your teeth. So that's how you do that. And if you want to go ahead and check out the link in my bio, I have a course on there where you can get further dental knowledge, because yes, you do need dental knowledge, because this is in the dental industry. For all the goofies in my comments talking about dental knowledge, dental career, yeah, dental career. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.